Okay, so these are some lower dies that I printed with my 3D printer to go inside the Swag finger brake here, because that bottom die is so wide that it makes a pretty big radius. So I want to be able to tighten it up, especially for like sheet metal products. So I 3D printed these, and then so they drop in there, and then I used a piece of 3/8 round rod as the point that it pivots on for when it bends into here. So, and then what I did was I made each piece the same length as the fingers, so they all go the same, so you can offset or whatever. Might give you a few more options when you're going to bend. So do a couple of bends here with it. So they sit in here, in there. So the first piece is this piece of 10 gauge. So this is 10 gauge right here, if you look. So you can see, I don't know if it picks it up, but so a piece of 10 gauge. And then basically it's 6.5 inches wide. So let's take a look, see how well it turns out and bends it. So there's what you got right there. Definitely it went more than 90 degrees on a piece of 10 gauge there, 6.5 inches long. That's probably about the limit on it right there. But so then let's try it on a piece of 16 gauge. So here's a piece of 16 gauge. So we'll give that a try next. And this one's 19 inches wide, so it's about as wide as you can go. So there's the bend in 16 gauge. As you can see, it's just a little bit past 90. So we'll do a true 90 degree bend. We'll go just past it, and gives it a pretty good little cut. And I don't think it's really like canooted too much. I mean, I don't know, it looks pretty good. Let's pull those out. I'll bend this other piece down here, cross it, and see what kind of radius we get without those inserted. All right, so there's the picture. There's the difference right there. So you can see that, I don't know exactly what that radius is, but there's the radius with the new dies put in place, and then here's the radius without them, just with the standard angle iron opening that Swag sends it with. So quite a bit tighter radius, and plus this has like a little arc in it too. I don't know if that's me or what, but anyway, as you can see, they both go well past 90 doing that. So anyway, so all these are is just a die here, just the piece of 3D printed out of just PLA plus, nothing special, and just put them in there and pressed it down. So anyway, that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know.